All right, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining Amplify Media Owen. And today I'm joined by our very own in the community. Very many Ugandans who live in Canada, whether you're here in Ontario, in Alberta, in New Brunswick, I'm sure you are familiar with Cathy Kabite, Mukwano Gwamanji. Come close. Yeah, so Kathy is going to tell us about one of the conferences she's organizing this December, right?
Yeah, listen.
Yeah, which is the International Medical Conference on Managing Chronic Diseases and Drug Abuse. And we know that recently she also had a very successful conference on
International Medical Conference on like empowering people into healthcare and medical sector.
yeah. So, Kathy, could you introduce yourself? We know Kabite, others know Kathy, but we know that you're one of the strong pillars in our community. So, could you just briefly tell us who is Kathy and why you're doing this?
Okay, I will not repeat my names. I'm a nurse working with the City of Toronto at Christie Street, the biggest nursing home of City of Toronto in Canada, and I'm a queen of healthcare and medical sector. I got that title after my conference, June conference. So, and I'm proud to be one of the a pioneer of COVID nurses, because I worked throughout the COVID period. I did not stay at home at all, and the experience I gained during those 3 years inspired me to put up a conference to empower more people into healthcare and medical sector, because I witnessed people, thousands of people dying because of lack of care, lack of nurses, lack of PSWs and everything. I volunteered to work as a nurse, health as a PSW at the same time as army, because I worked with the army and people thought I'm from army. Everybody left the floor, disappeared from the nursing homes, hospitals, because they feared that deadly virus. But I stood with the army, I stood with those less privileged people, those elders and everybody. I was there. I worked 16 hours every day, because I was so attached to those people. I couldn't leave them without me taking care of them. And that's why now I'm in Canada here. You know how people are suffering from drug abuse. So definitely I decided to bring a mini conference in December. The other one is in every June. Every June we are having International Empowerment Conference on Healthcare and Medical Sector. Every December we will be having a mini conference about managing chronic diseases and drug abuse, because people are suffering with these chronic diseases. When I talk about chronic disease, you know, like cancer, diabetes, HIV, and so on, a lot. And we abuse, you know how we abuse drugs. Yeah. You know how people take drugs anyhow. We don't know how to treat ourselves. We call it, "Oh, I can treat myself from home." People fear coming to the hospitals. People fear coming to us who knows about medication. People die in the process of not knowing what to do, how to go about treating their chronic diseases. That's why I'm here to talk about it, to bring people from all over the world. All visa required countries, you can apply visas through my conference and come and get inspired into medical sector and healthcare. Get to know about healthcare and medical sector through our conferences. It's happening every December and every June, every year.
Just a quick one. So, when is it happening? What are the exact dates? And how can people contact you? Do you have an email? Do you have a phone number? How can people register? Yes.
Yeah. International Empowerment Conference about healthcare and medical sector happens every June from 28th to 30th June every year. And the International Medical Conference about managing chronic diseases and drug abuse happens every December, 20th to 22nd, every December. And whoever wants to register through my conference to come to Canada and attend conferences and get to know about Canada, I can give out my phone number. Is it okay? Is +1 647 271 6223. +1 647 271 6223. Just WhatsApp me, ask me about my conferences, and I will send you all the details. Thank you so much, Patrick, for hosting me here in your studios.
No problem. Thank you very much. If you're watching us, we're here with Cathy, and she's telling you she organizes conferences about health, medical related sector. If you want to know how to potentially join, like the health sector, the caregiving sector here in Canada, Cathy is a Ugandan. She's lived in this country for more than 5 years. She's been into the healthcare given kind of like sector, worked as a PSW, upgraded into a nurse, so she knows it all. So just the number you see on the screen, just text that number. It's on WhatsApp, right? Yeah, just go on WhatsApp, text, and you will be sure to receive feedback from her on how you can be part and parcel of the conference that she's organizing. Thank you very much.